Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome again to another assessment for our CAA aspirants. We are still on diagnostics, and this time we shall continue with diagnosis by interrogation. Let's call on Dr. She. Are you still are you still there, Dr. She?
Yeah, Doc, good afternoon.
Okay, sorry for the delay. Okay, pain accompanying diarrhea always suggests the involvement of blah.
Heat,
Yeah, very good. Or the liver. Heat. Ang galing. The presence of a foul smell. Let's say yung dumi mo may amoy. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
damp heat,
Yeah, or heat. Absence of smell. Walang amoy. Ganun ba yung ano mo? Walang amoy. So,
cold dampness,
yes, very good. The most common cause of chronic diarrhea.
uh, spleen chi deficiency,
Very good. Okay, to be, ganito kasi, if this is chronic so that means ang tagal na.
mm,
Instead of using
chronic na
spleen
siya.
chi, spleen yang na siya or kidney yang deficiency or both. Okay?
Mm,
Yeah. Chronic diarrhea occurring
so,
every day in the very early morning. Sino ba nakaka-relate dito? Ito yung favorite na tanong ni Dr. Gavino. Cockscrow diarrhea or fifth hour diarrhea. Anong tawag dito po? Anong pattern po ito?
kidney yang deficiency po.
Galing. Grabe. If the diarrhea is accompanied by abdominal pain, ano po yan? Anong pattern?
It's either cold or damp heat or liver chi stagnation po
In the intestines. Very good.
in the
Diarrhea with
intestines. Yeah.
mucus in the stools. This is important po. Anong pattern?
Uh, mucus.
Mucus.
Um, ah, mm, Actually, Doc, dito sa
Hmm,
maaring damp heat in the intestines or cold dampness in the intestines.
very good. Or dampness. Could be damp, cold, damp. Kung
Or
may amoy,
dampness.
damp. Kung
But
may amoy, damp heat. Pag walang amoy, damp.
wala, damp cold.
Galing.
Yeah.
Diarrhea with mucus and blood in the stools. Mucus and
Damp heat in the intestines.
ang galing. Next. Loose stools with undigested food. Kumain ka ng kumain ka ng yung pa rin yung lumabas. Anong tawag dito na pattern?
Cold dampness in the intestines po.
Actually, this, hindi kasi sinabi na chronic.
Clingy.
So this is something new. No? Spleen chi deficiency.
Mm,
Hindi, kasi ang spleen kasi, siya yung nagtatransform. Diba? Nagtatransport.
mm-mm.
So ito, hindi siya nagtransform.
Ang ang spleen chi deficiency kasi dito Dok sa kinuhaan ko ng reference, ano lang siya, chronic loose stools.
Okay.
Pero wala siyang nakalagay na yun, yung
Undigested.
undigested food.
Kasi siya, ibig
Mm.
sabihin, hindi na-transform yung kinain. Okay.
Ah,
Burning
okay.
sensation in the
Okay.
anus while passing stools indicate,
Damp heat in the large intestines.
yeah, heat. If the
Heat.
stools are
Heat
not
pa rin.
loose or only slightly loose but are very frequent and the person cannot hold them easily, what does this indicate?
Deficiency and sinking.
Yeah, and also the stomach. Black, okay. Yung stools, pumunta si
Mm.
pasyente, Doc, yung stools ko
Mm.
maitim. Ano kagad na sa isip mo?
Blood stasis po in the
Very
intestines.
good. If the blood comes first, nauna yung lumabas yung dugo, tapos nag-splash bright red. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Stomach and spleen chi deficiency po.
Okay. Isipin mo ha, yung bright
Damp heat pa rin.
dump
Diba?
in the intestines. If the blood comes
Mm.
first, tapos
Mm.
turbid siya, hindi siya fresh, tapos yung anus mo parang mabigat and painful, what does it mean?
Diyan yung sagot ko, Doc, na damp heat in the intestines.
Heat in the blood.
Yan, heat in the blood. Okay.
If the
Okay.
stools come first, nauna yung stools, tapos yung tugo, tapos watery, it indicates what?
Mm, damp heat pa rin do.
Spleen chi deficiency. Ang ibig sabihin,
Spleen division.
hindi makontrol
Okay.
yung chi yung blood. 'Di ba? Ang spleen kasi,
Nagbabaliktad,
yeah,
nagbaliktad yung mga answers ko, Doc.
okay lang yan. You can fix it. Borborygmi, plural ng borborygmus, which are gurgling sounds in the abdomen, tapos loose stools. Ano ibig sabihin nito?
Large intestine cold
Spleen
or
deficiency.
spleen deficiency.
Borborygmi, tapos may feeling of abdominal distension, walang loose stools.
Liver chi stagnation.
Galing. Yes.
Mm.
Flatulence. Ano yung flatulence? Social ng yung ano, yung medyo,
Tot.
ano, pangit kasi yung Tagalog niya, no? Ang baho. Flatulence. So, parang maganda pakinggan. What is this
Kapag po,
generally due to?
Chi stagnation.
Yeah, liver chi stagnation. If
Liver
there is
chi stagnation.
flatulence tapos mabaho, it indicates,
Damp heat
okay, dump it in the spleen or stomach heat.
or
Kung may flatulence tapos hindi mabaho, kahit inamoy mo na, what does that mean?
spleen deficiency lang, Doc.
Okay, spleen yang deficiency.
Yang
Meron siyang
deficiency.
inferior
Spleen
code.
yang deficiency.
Enuresis.
Spleen yang.
Alam niyo ba anong enuresis? Umiihi sa kama? Or incontinence
Yeah.
indicates what?
Kidney yin deficiency.
Yeah. Retention of urine.
Kidney yang deficiency.
Or damp heat in the bladder.
Damp heat in the bladder.
Actually, yeah. Difficulty in urination.
Actually, Doc, dito sa reference ko,
Hmm.
depende kung empty or full. Pero,
Okay.
ang nakalagay dito, damp heat in the bladder, liver chi stagnation, or
Okay.
kidney yang deficiency. Kasi, tama.
Pag medyo maedad na yung pasyente, kidney deficiency yan. Pero kung bata-bata,
Okay.
no? 'Di ba? Pag mahirap umihi, tapos
Mm.
kita mo pabata pa siya, ano to, damp heat in the bladder. Baka ano,
Yeah.
baka
May
UTI.
distinction kasi siya, Doc, eh. Kasi may kunwari dito sa damp heat in the bladder, meron siyang ibang mga symptoms din na accompanied dyan sa, ano na yan,
Okay,
diagnosis na yan.
good.
Opo.
Very frequent and copious urination indicates what?
Kidney yang deficiency.
Okay, kidney deficiency. Pwedeng kidney.
Kidney deficiency.
Frequent tapos scanty urination. Maliit lang.
Ah, yan, kidney yin deficiency yung sagot ko.
Chi deficiency. Chi.
Okay, chi.
Pain
Okay,
before umihi.
liver chi stagnation
Okay, or chi stagnation in the
or
lower burner. Yeah.
stagnation.
Pain habang umiihi.
Damp heat in the liver, in the bladder
In
pala,
the
sorry.
bladder, yes.
Heat in
Pain
the
after.
bladder.
Huwag mong sabihin yung damp kasi pain lang naman eh. Dapat ine-explain kung
Okay.
no? Walang
Mm-mm.
feeling of heaviness, blah, blah, blah. So yun. Pain after urination.
Mm, wala akong sagot dyan actually, Doc.
Chi deficiency.
Um, chi deficiency. Okay.
Pale urine. Ay, nakalagay na. Okay. Pale urine. Obvious naman
Mm-mm.
to, di ba?
Mm.
Cold
Yang deficiency ang sagot. Yang deficiency.
deficiency.
Yan,
Bladder.
cold.
Dark urine.
Yan. Heat in the blood.
Yeah, okay. Heat pattern. Turbid or
Heat
cloudy urine.
pattern. Damp heat in the bladder.
Dampness in the bladder. Copious, clear, pale Anong ibig sabihin nito?
Excess heat or excess heat, Doc, or yin deficiency.
No, actually, ang ibig sabihin nito, pumasok na sa interior. Okay, kasi kung dati-dati, grabe yung ihi mo, madami, tapos biglang nag-dark, ibig sabihin, pumasok na sa loob, na? Nag-interiorize na yung exterior invasion.
Mm,
Large
okay.
amounts of urine. Ang daming ihi.
Wala na akong sagot dyan, Doc.
Kidney yang
Wala
deficiency.
na po.
Ay, wala ka
Kidney
na
yung
sagot? Ah,
deficiency.
sige.
Yan,
Ah,
next na.
next na, si Sir Mark. Sir Mark, alam ko umabot ka na ng
Mm.
TT. Sir Mark?
Dok, ano, mag-40 lang ako.
Sige, okay lang. Sagutin mo to. Ay, wait lang. Kidney yang deficiency. 34. Scanty urination.
Sa akin po, sagot ko po dito, Doc, is ano po, kidney yang deficiency.
No. Kidney yin deficiency. Kidney yang deficiency,
Deficiency.
maraming ihi. Ito maliit lang. Di ba?
Ayun. Hindi po sa preference ko, Doc, yang eh.
Ikaw talaga. Hindi pwede yan. Sinahon. Sige,
Ah,
ano natin? Pakita mo bukas.
apa.
Okay. Ay, ano ba? Okay, sleep. Saan nagde-depend ang sleep natin? Anong vital
Sa akin po, Doc, mga vital substances natin dyan, maaari po may apektado po yung heart blood deficiency, liver qi stagnations, liver fire, kidney yin deficiency, spleen qi deficiency, at yung blood deficiency.
ganito lang, blood and yin. Hmm?
Deficiency.
Nakadepende
Yes
lang
po.
sa blood and yin. Blood and yin are the residents of the mind. Anong ibig sabihin nito?
Sabi po, sa akin po, Doc, ano po eh, blood and yin are the residents of the mind. Blood is responsible for nourishing the shen, mind, spirit, um, for the mental clarity, emotional stability, and calmness po. Doc, pag
Okay.
blood po pinag-uusapan.
Okay. Ibig
Ayos.
sabihin, pag kulang yung blood or walang blood and yin, walang bahay ang mind, ang shen. So, ano nangyayari?
Yes po.
Nag-float lang siya at night, so mayroon kang insomnia. Kaya dapat yung mga may insomnia, ayusin mo yung blood and yin. Expert na dyan si Nobel. Diba? Blood deficiency, yin deficiency. Okay, anong pattern ito, Sir Mark? Not being able to fall asleep. Pero, after falling asleep, maganda yung tulog niya.
Sa akin po, Dok, ano eh, Shen spirit disturbance of often due to an imbalances in heart or heart blood with potentials contributions from yin deficiency or liver qi stagnation.
O sige,
Yun po
i-edit
yung sagot
ko.
ko, Dok.
Heart blood deficiency. Okay, mahirap siya makatulog, pero once nakatulog siya, tuloy-tuloy. Okay, ito naman,
Apo.
anong pattern to? Ah, ang insomnia niya, gising siya ng gising during the night.
Di ba po, Dok, kapag pag 11 p.m. and to 3 a.m. heart qi deficiency.
Ay,
Kapag naman po yung pag-oras, tama po ba, Dok?
saan mo nakuha ang reference yan? Mukhang hindi ko yata yan. Ang alam ko, pag gising ka na ng 11 p.m. to 1 a.m., may gallbladder deficiency ka. Pero ito, kahit anong oras, gising ka ng gising. Madaming ganyan. Tapos they're usually in pain. Anong pattern po ito?
Um, sa akin po, Dok, ano po eh, liver qi stagnation or
No,
spleen qi deficiency.
kidney,
Kidney
kidney yin
yin.
deficient. Okay, yung sleep mo,
Opo.
dream disturb. Parating may panaginip. Kaya hindi ka nagigising ka parate.
Sa akin, Dok, heart fire.
Yes, parang nakaka-relate ka. Pero yung sa iyo yata, there was a time liver fire eh, no? Liver fire or heart fire. Okay,
Opo.
Pag restless yung sleep mo tapos may panaginip, what does it indicate?
Sa akin, Doc, heart blood deficiency.
The, kumain ka ng late,
Di-
ang dami mong kinain.
deficient.
2 a.m., ang dami mong kinain din, natulog ka kaagad. So yung sleep mo hindi maganda, marating may dreams. Okay, waking up early in the morning, failing to fall
Doc, wala
asleep
po akong
again.
sagot, Doc. Doc, wala po akong sagot, Doc. 1 to 40 lang po sagot ko.
O, pero ito, try mo, ano sagot mo rito?
Kapag
Sinabi mo
nagigising
kanina
ng
yan,
umaga,
maaga magising, kasi alauna, hindi na makatulog ulit.
na makatulog, disturb.
Gallbladder deficiency.
Kaya bladder.
Anong point? Anong ito-tonify mo sa gallbladder? Sige, research. Ginawa ko to sa pasyente, effective. Okay? Thank you so much, Sir Mark. Very good job. Let's call on Ma'am Trixie. Good afternoon, Ma'am Trixie.
Good afternoon, Doc. Good afternoon,
Okay.
everyone.
And then, please prepare. Sino pa ba nandyan? Si Madam M is, I'm sure she is very ready with the questions. Okay.
With vengeance, yan.
Yeah, so I think
Yes.
hati kayo. 41
Okay po.
to 75. 41 to 70. Yeah. Waking up early. As people grow older, it is to some extent normal to wake early. Bakit?
Changes in body clock and circadian rhythm.
Okay. Nag-decline na yung chi and blood kasi matanda na. Yung mga malungkot, 3 a.m. gising na yan. Mm-mm. Feeling sleepy after eating. I'm sure nakaka-relate dito si Sir Mark.
Spleen chi deficiency.
Very good.
Ganyan.
Ito, general feeling of lethargy and heaviness of the body.
Retention of dampness.
Very good. General feeling of lethargy, heaviness of the body, plus dizziness.
Phlegm.
Great. Extreme lethargy, lassitude, feeling of cold.
Kidney yang deficiency.
Very good. Lethargic stupor with exterior heat symptoms.
Invasion of pericardium by heat.
Very good. Pericardium, ito yung sundalo, no, ng heart. Okay?
Yeah, ng
Bago
heart.
maapektuhan si heart, yung pericardium muna. Lethargic
Cardium first.
or with rattling in the throat, slippery pulse, sticky tongue coating.
Blurring of the mind by phlegm.
Okay. May nakaka-relate ba? Tapos ibinabago na yung sagot. Okay. Sudden onset tinnitus suggests
Full condition, liver fire, liver yang, rising, and liver wind.
okay. Okay ha? Bago lang yung tinnitus niya, mayroong ringing. Liver, ano yan, full, high pitch. Gradual onset, dahan-dahan.
Empty condition of kidney deficiency.
Okay. If the noise is aggravated, pinrest mo yung hands mo sa ear, lumala. What pattern is that? Full or empty?
It's full condition.
If the noise is alleviated by pressing, ay parang ganyan lang ko. Okay.
It's an empty condition.
Empty condition. Actually, gumagamit ako ng yung mga nabibingi may kasama kasi ako dito na mahilig sa mga maiingay. Ko parang feeling ko talaga po nababasa. So last time, I think you know who is. Ano, so I used my earbuds. Effective siya. Narinig ko pa rin yung music. That was noise cancellation. So you could talk. Yeah. Try it. Or better yet, don't go. Okay. Okay. May naririnig ka, high pitch, malakas, parang whistle.
It's liver yang, or liver fire, or liver wind.
Wow, very good. Low pitch noise, parang rushing water.
Kidney deficiency.
Okay, so katandaan to. Sudden onset na nabingi, full or
Uh,
empty?
Full condition.
Deafness, gradual onset, full or
Eh,
empty?
It's empty.
In chronic cases, apart from kidney deficiency, deafness can also be due to
Uh, Heat, heart blood deficiency or
hmm?
Qi deficiency of upper burner, and Yang Qi deficiency.
Okay, very good. Eye pain. Punta na tayo sa eye pain. Parang may karayom, parang
Okay.
acupuncture yung ano mo. Tapos red yung eye, headache.
Toxic heat in the heart channel.
Or fire poison, toxic heat.
Or,
Pain, swelling, and redness of the eye.
invasion of the eye channels by wind, heat, or liver fire.
Or interior liver fire. So it's both exterior or interior. Blurred vision and floaters in the eyes.
Um, Liver blood deficiency or
Madali
liver
lang.
yin or kidney yin.
Yes.
Dami.
So, madali lang natin ayusin yan. I-nourish mo yung liver blood. Photophobia. Takot sa ilaw. Parang ako yan. Okay.
Um, Liver fire deficiency or liver yang rising.
Or liver blood deficiency. Feeling of pressure in the eyes.
Kidney yin deficiency.
So, yun yung parang, pagtapos minimeasure yung intraocular pressure. So, pwede mo na rin sabayan pag-treat ng kidney yin. Dryness
Yin.
of the eyes.
Liver or kidney yin deficiency.
Di ba gamit ka lang ng eye wash?
I want.
Bricant. Okay. Thirst, we desire to drink large amounts of cold water.
It's a full heat pattern.
Okay. Or any organ. Absence of thirst. Di iniuuhaw.
Cold pattern, usually of the stomach or spleen.
Very good. Thirst, no desire to drink. Inuuhaw siya pero
Stampede.
ayaw niyang uminom. Grabe, no?
Damp heat.
Explain why.
The heat. Kasi yung heat niya nawawala. Ano sa thirst. And then yung damp, ayaw niyo uminom. Dahil damp, ayaw niyo uminom.
Okay. Thirst, desire to sip liquid slowly or to sip warm liquids.
Yin deficiency, usually of stomach or kidney.
Okay. Usually, magkasabay talaga yan. Alam nyo ba, pag ang kidney yin deficient, most likely deficient na rin yung stomach. Desire to drink cold liquids. What pattern?
So heat pattern.
Very good. Desire to drink warm liquids.
Cold pattern.
Good. Pain can be due to the following excess conditions. What are they?
Invasion of external pathogenic factors, interior cold or heat, chi or blood stagnation, food retention, and obstruction by phlegm.
Okay, so these are your differentials, no? So aside from, example, pag invasion of exterior pathogenic factors, isipin mo yung ibang mga symptoms. So dito tayo magkakaalaman kung magaling talaga tayo. What about pain? Pwede rin ang maging cause niyan deficiency. Like?
Chi and blood deficiency, consumption of body fluids from yin deficiency.
Okay. Kasi pag meron kang yin deficiency, kulang ka na sa nourishment. So kung kulang sa nourishment, may pain kasi kulang. Okay. What does chi stagnation cause?
Distension more than pain or distending pain or having no fixed location.
Okay. Actually, wala siya masyadong pain. Maramdaman mo lang parang, may distension. Okay. What does stasis of blood or blood stasis cause?
It causes severe boring or stabbing pain with fixed location in a small area.
Okay, small lang, hindi diffuse, hindi large area. Special questions sa mga women regarding what?
Menstruation, discharges, pregnancy, and childbirth.
Very good. Yan. Menstruation shows the state of chi and blood. Ano yung itatanong mo na question about menstruation?
Uh, you have to ask about the cycle, the amount of bleeding, color of the blood, the quality, and the pain.
Very good. If the periods always come early, maaga yung period niya, what is the pattern?
It's blood heat or chi deficiency.
Very good. Kung masyadong late,
It's blood deficiency or blood stagnation of cold or cold.
okay. Kung irregular yung periods, minsan early, minsan late.
Liver chi stagnation or liver blood or spleen deficiency.
Ang galing. Heavy loss of blood.
Blood heat or chi deficiency.
Great. Scanty periods.
Blood deficiency or blood stagnation or cold.
Wow, congratulations. May gana pa kaya si Madam M?
Yes.
Okay, Madam M, I know you prepared 81 to 100. Thank you
Sige
so
po.
much, Ma'am Trix.
Thank
Congratulations.
you, Doc.
Okay.
Thank you.
Madam M, good afternoon.
Bonjour.
Okay.
Good afternoon po sa lahat.
Ano ba yun? Bonjour. Okay, whatever.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Okay, dark red or bright red color ng menstrual blood. Ano ibig sabihin?
Indicates blood heat.
Very good. Pale blood.
Blood heat po.
Yeah. Pale blood.
Blood deficiency.
Okay.
Blood
Purple or
deficiency
blackish?
po.
Yeah, very good. Purple or blackish blood?
Blood or cold stagnation.
Okay. Fresh red blood.
Blood or cold stagnation.
Okay. Fresh red blood.
Deficiency or empty heat.
Okay.
Deficiency or empty heat from yin deficiency.
Yes. Actually, pag sinabing empty heat, understood na yon, di ba? Congealed blood with clots.
Blood or cold stasis.
Yeah, stasis of blood or cold. Watery blood. Hello?
Blood or yin deficiency.
Okay. So can you imagine yung mga babae matulungan mo ganito na correct mo? Ears lang ha. Turbid yung blood.
Blood heat or cold stasis.
Very good. Pain before the periods.
Or blood stasis.
Okay, very good.
P
Pain,
or blood stasis.
pain during the periods. During the periods. Madam M?
Indicates blood heat or cold stagnation.
Very good. Pain after the periods.
Blood heat or cold stagnation. Blood heat or cold stagnation. Blood heat po or cold.
Blood deficiency.
Blood
Okay.
deficiency
Leukorrhea.
po.
Alam yung leukorrhea, no? Must be distinguished according to what? Hello? Hello? Nawala.
To color, consistency, and smell.
Very
Yun po
good.
yung discharge.
Anong ibig sabihin ng white discharge?
Hello?
Ito po yung discharge.
Yeah. Pag white yung discharge, ano ibig sabihin?
Ito po yung discharge. Hello? Oh
Yes.
no. Spleen or kidney young deficiency, cold,
Okay.
cold pattern po. Spleen, kidney young deficiency, cold, damp, and liver chi stagnation.
Very good. Yellow discharge. Yellow discharge. Hello? Hello po, Madam M.
93.
Yellow discharge.
Hello? Damp heat po. Ay,
Okay.
heat pat,
Yeah, that heat
93.
pattern.
Heat pattern po siya. Usually, heat pattern,
Okay. 94. Greenish discharge.
hello?
Yes,
No.
yes. Don't move na para
Heat
may signal. Pag greenish yung discharge.
94.
Yeah. Greenish yung discharge. Hello po. Madam M. Grabe yung signal niya, no? Hindi katulad sa akin, nawawala.
Nawala si Madam M.
Okay. Can you continue, Ma'am Trix, para we can proceed? Please.
Okay, Doc.
Greenish discharge.
It's damp heat in the liver channel.
Very good. Red and white discharge.
Damp heat.
Yellow discharge with pus and blood in a woman after menopause.
Toxic damp heat in the uterus.
Watery consistency ng discharge.
Cold damp.
Thick consistency.
Damp heat.
Fishy smell.
Damp cold.
Leathery smell.
Damp heat.
Infertility can be due to empty conditions like
Blood or kidney essence deficiency or to full conditions such as damp phlegm in the lower burner or blood stasis in the uterus.
okay, so if a patient comes to you due to because of infertility, these are the things that you have to consider. Okay? First, determine mo through the pulse or through the symptoms kung deficient ba or excess. Vomiting during pregnancy.
It's stomach and penetrating vessel deficiency.
Very good. Miscarriage before 3 months.
Blood or essence deficiency.
Okay, kung yung pasyente ninyo may history of miscarriages, huwag yun nang i-ear, no? Occupy.
Oh.
Miscarriage after 3 months.
Liver blood stasis or spleen chi sinking.
Very good. Nausea and heavy bleeding after delivery.
Exhaustion of the penetrating vessel.
Sweating and fever after delivery.
Exhaustion of chi and blood.
Postnatal depression. Di ba may mga ganon? Ang daming ganon na.
Yes.
Is this due to?
Heart blood deficiency.
Very good. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining.
Andiyan na si Madam F.
Oo, sa susunod na lang. And thank you
Ano ko
so much.
yan?